girls with their nails done now.
A heated confrontation broke out when a cyclist nearly took out a biker.
Ma che cosa? Ma che cosa? Ma hai visto che stavi con Romano? Ma stavi?
Scemo.
Scemo da chi? Ma svegliati! Dai a c***o!
This rider was making a left turn when, bam, a drunk driver crashed right into him. If that wasn't bad enough, the drunk driver tried to flee the scene, but the cops were already there to stop him in his tracks. In this clip, a simple case of tailgating turned into a wild encounter when a man decided to chase down a biker. Let's find out how the biker handled the situation. A lady was just 10 feet away from the pedestrian lane when a biker accidentally hit her. But here's the thing, he had enough time to stop. Could this accident have been avoided?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a zebra!
You didn't see that I was in the middle.
No, you wasn't looking! You zebra crossing just there! What are you doing?
Why you didn't turn?
What is the matter with you? Why did you not look? You gotta look! There's no argument. You're disgusting from here.
Puta que pariu, fudeu. Puta, mano, fudeu, rapaziada.
Do you think riding motorcycle at night in Brazil is easy?
Puta que pariu! Cara, onde é o escadão mesmo, porra? Meu Deus, mano. Meu Deus. Será que eles viram descendo aqui, mano? A moto morreu. Liga de novo. Liga de novo, mano. Vai. Rapaziada, eles não vieram atrás, pelo menos, mano. Tá de boa. Mano, vou correr pra casa, tio. Nossa, mano, acho que eu dei fuga. Que pariu, mano, tô tremendo, tio. Vai, filho.
This car driver cuts off a biker. Let's see what happens next.
Alright guys, we got the state trooper after that dude almost tried to ram us off the highway. He's gonna find his info. We have to go testify in court. I got everything on GoPro. Usually I go about my day, but this one was just different, man. It was way too different. Like, dude was swerving from left to right, brake checking, throwing water bottles out the window before I was recording, doing crazy stuff, man. And that's just beyond acceptable, you know? So, thank you, Alexander.
Let me get a picture of that, just in general.
Yeah, exactly right. What do you got?
Yamaha R1.
Cool.
Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
A group of bikers was cruising through the woods when suddenly a man blocked their path, stick in hand. Not only did he try to stop them, but he also pulled out his phone to record. What was he up to?
What? 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 Put that shit down. Put the fuck down. What? Hold up. Yo, hold my bike. Hold my bike. Hold this shit. Hold my bike. What? What happened? Now I got this thing. Uh-huh. What happened? I got this thing. I got this thing now. What happened? This is what you want to do? This is what you want to do? Stupid ass fuck. Suck my dick. Hey, sit down.
Curious about what went wrong, this biker confronted an angry Karen, but she wasn't having it. She flashed a middle finger the entire conversation, and to make things worse, she even threatened to call the police.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Go ahead.
Does the camera shoot in the back or just the front?
What?
Does it shoot in the back or just the front? In the back?
Yeah.
You not only can get yourself killed, you're going to get yourself in jail because what you do is illegal. You can't
What did I do?
like that. You cut me off. You got right in front of me while I'm driving.
Actually, I was lane splitting.
What?
I was lane splitting.
You got in front of me. You almost got me in an accident and you killed.
So that gives you a right to come really close and.
You fucking put your motorcycle in front of my car, you piece of shit.
So that gives you a right to almost come and hit me?
With your fucking motorcycle and your camera, you're gonna get yourself killed and you're probably gonna go to jail.
Hey, guess what? I'll get in front of you again. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Why? You're the one that's giving me the finger and trying to hit me. So that gives you a right to try to hit me? That gives you a right to try to hit me? It's like I'm gonna call the police on you.
This biker was having a great time until he crossed paths with an angry male Karen.
Does it matter?
Yeah, it does.
So it's not illegal for me to be on a public street?
Dude, this ain't a public street.
Yes, it is. No, it's not. The street isn't owned by somebody. Huh?
What's that, a private neighborhood?
Okay, this isn't your neighborhood.
You doing fucking police about to fucking wreck yourself? Private property, get your ass out of here. It's simple.
Call the cops if you want, but I'm gonna keep riding. I said I would go, but he's still physically blocking me.
Trying to practice your wheelies, no more.
I already said I wouldn't.
Back up, leave the neighborhood. She's on the phone with cops.
You're physically blocking me still. Come on, man.
Talk about a close call. This biker managed to avoid the piece of debris flying straight towards his helmet. Watch how quick Reflexes saved the day.
They're a lot smaller and simpler and... Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa!